All right, so listen carefully. If you want to enter the contest, cause you got to follow all these steps. What I'm thinking is getting a random person to the car meet, man, that wants to come. Just, you know, basically taking care of their travel expense.
Man, had to go get the other pills, man. Gotta get the rest of the pills, the big boy pills.
What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see by the title. Today, man, we finally finna go ahead and tell y'all how to enter this contest, you know, to win this 32-inch TV. No matter where you at, I will ship it. No matter where you locate. So you can win this. And like I said, man, a while back, I was thinking about getting somebody to the car meet, picking one person, you know, to take care of to get to the car meet. So we're gonna talk about that too. And we're gonna do the super clean giveaway. The super clean products, man, they're gonna partner up with me. We're gonna do a giveaway for the channel. I'm working out the details on how I want to go about that. So somebody gonna be able to win a box of super clean products and all that. Y'all know I stand by them. Look, they over there chilling. Yes indeed. Boom, that right there. That, but you know, all the good stuff. All the good stuff. And I'm gonna show y'all a clip I left out, John John, and some clips when the box when Dolo was leaving, cause I recorded it, I just never put it up, man. So we're gonna throw that in there too. But today the primary thing is about the contest, so let's get straight into it. All right, so listen carefully. If you want to enter the contest, cause you got to follow all these steps. It's 3 steps to enter. If you don't follow all 3 steps, you ain't gonna be entered. If you just simple. Follow these instructions. So what I need y'all to do is go on your phone, right? Hold on. Go on your phone, and then you need to go to, boom, right there. Go to Days with Kendra. Hold on, let me see. Go to my wife's channel. Dim it so y'all can see it. Days with Kendra. That's her YouTube channel. I need y'all to go to her channel. First thing you do, hit that subscribe button. Well, unsubscribe, so boom. Hit that subscribe button, then you hit the bell and turn on your post notifications. But as long as you subscribe, and I want y'all to go watch her last video. This video right here, the last video she put up. Watch it. You got to watch it all the way through. My Monte Carlo CL is about to get painted and more. This last video, she might get one up before that, but you need to watch this video all the way through. I can be able to tell if you don't watch it. Now, after you've done this, after you watch the video all the way through, just go back to her channel like this from your phone and screenshot it. They go back to it. And just screenshot it. Just boom. I took a picture right there. Screenshot it. And then send it to the email along with your YouTube name. And send it to the email ysproductions1@yahoo.com. That's ysproductions1@yahoo.com. I'm going to put all this in the description. I'm going to put the email address in the description, and I'm going to pin it in the comments so you have the right email. I want you to send that screenshot showing that you watched the video call. When you watch it all the way through, y'all see that red line right there? The red line at the bottom of that video? That's how you can tell if a person done watched the video all the way through. If it's halfway, and you send a screenshot and this video just halfway, I'm not going to count your entry. That's it. So watch this video all the way through. And send the screen. Make sure you subscribe and screenshot it. Send it to the email. That's how you enter. Just that simple. So go to Days with Kendra. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Click on it. Go to my wife's channel. Hit the subscribe button. Watch her last video all the way through. I need to see that red line right there. See? That red line all the way through. Need to see that red line. Then after you done that, just screenshot it. If your phone can't screenshot, take a picture with another phone and send it. Take a picture of this screen showing that you subscribe and that you watch this video all the way through. And that's how you enter. And when you send the email, make sure to include your username, your YouTube username, so I know who you are. Make sure to include your YouTube username. Even if you forget, it's alright. I call out the winner in the video when I announce it. I'm gonna give y'all, let me see, how many days should I give y'all? This video, I'm gonna give people 7 days, a week. It don't take long, man. After 7 days, people don't be watching the video. So 7 days, you got 7 days to enter. So this starting, let me see, this video going up 12, the 17th. It's the 17th, y'all watching this. So on the 24th, the contest gonna end. The 24th at 12 a.m. Eastern time, it's over with, no more interest. So if I get your email and it's after 12 a.m. on the 24th, which will basically make it the 25th, it doesn't count. So you got till the 24th to do that, man. Go to Days with Kendra, hit the subscribe button, watch her last video all the way through. I said the title earlier, watch that video all the way through. I need to see that red line to the end, screenshot it, send it to the email that's in the description. That's all you gotta do. That's how you enter in for the TV. And then the way I'm gonna pick a winner, that's why I said send your username. I'm gonna write all the names down as they come through one by one. I'm writing them all down on pieces of paper. I'm gonna pick on camera, or I probably do it live. I'm gonna do it live probably, make it fair, cause nobody won't think no funny business. But I'm gonna do it live. I'm gonna put all the pieces of paper, shake them up, my racing helmet, and I'm just gonna pick a name out. And whoever name I pick, that's who win. I contact them. If I gotta mail it, they local, they can pick it up and meet up, whatever. But if not, I ship it out. So that's how you win the TV. So now let's talk about getting somebody to the car meet.
Whew. Boy, this is some work. Wife in there working too. She thought she probably rather push than do that. But this is some work, boy. We're getting it moved. Get this thing turned around. All right, finally got it turned around. Ended up hooking the Escalade up to the toe strap and pull it back that last little way, man. That was just too much work. But we got everything. We got it turned around. So waiting on my tow guys to get here. And then Dolo gonna be going to the surgeon. Going to the surgeon. Then I say about no more than 2 weeks. It's gonna be what I told y'all it's gonna be. Y'all gonna see it right there, covered up again. So y'all see it gone out the spot. When y'all see it back right there, and it got that car cover on it, just know it got oil pressure. Just know that. When it's right there, and that cover is back on, just know what y'all getting ready to see. They're gonna be my thumbnail too. Just know y'all what y'all getting ready to see when that video drop right there. I can't wait to hear how this thing gonna sound, boy. I can't wait. Ain't no more play motor. Ready? Boy, I'm putting big pills in there. I need to send the pills. It just make me think I need to go in there and get the nitric pill. The small pills are coming out. So stay tuned. Let me park the hood. Let y'all see on the hood one last time. Cause when they come back, ain't no hoods going up no more. It's a wrap. You won't have to park no hood either. It's gonna be ready. No hoods going up on camera. No hoods going up. So this is the last look at the engine bay. That right there gonna get changed too. I'm finna change this. It's new, but I'm gonna change it. It's gotta get changed. That right there gotta get fixed too. Cause that don't supposed to be mounted like that. That coil gotta get where is my coil wire? I think I still got it. I'm gonna have to change that. They gotta get flipped up. But yeah, last look. Cause it's going down. All I can say, it is going down. Yeah, man. I can't wait. I can't wait when this thing come back. Man, my battery probably. Know the battery probably need charging. Been sitting out here this long, guaranteed. New battery though, but Put my gas in here. I got a can of racing gas already in the car too, full. Put that gas in there. And sure, we're gonna be ready to get to it. We're gonna be ready to get to it. Still pump gas motor, so I don't want nobody to say Jay ain't got a street car. Everything I got is street car. Y'all know I drive mine. I drive my car more than anybody. In my eye, most of the time. I'm in my car every week. I'm finna drive the Cutlass today. I'm about to drive the Cutlass today. So yeah, Dolo about to go. Dolo is about to go. So I said I'm about to drive this Cutlass. Finna work out first. I'm gonna work out first. Then hop in this Cutlass today, shoot y'all some content. Put my slicks on. I ain't putting that on there though. I ain't putting that on the vlog. They're gonna be on a separate video. But yep, this just about Dolo, man, cause Dolo about to go. I wasn't even gonna vlog it. Y'all just gonna see the spot gone. But it going today. So catch y'all in.
Alright, so I'm back, man. Y'all saw them clips. Y'all saw Dolo going on the trailer to hustle hard. Y'all saw John Jones. Boy, I let that thing eat. Boy, I let that thing eat. Man, the only reason it stopped spinning because I made it stop spinning. I like that car will not stop, man. 800 plus pound-feet of torque on 93. Thing ain't no joke. When I really turn it up, it's gonna go down. When I really turn that car up. But it's crazy, man. Ride around. That's ride around right there all day long. That ain't turned up or nothing, man. They call an animal. When I decide at the end of the year and I show people what type of time that car really on, folk gonna be shocked. I promise you. Promise you, folk gonna be shocked. Same thing with Dolo. When I show people what type of time Dolo on and Big Meats, folk gonna be shocked. Cause I'm not popping no hoods on nothing. Not right now, except the cuts. I'm not popping hoods on nothing, man. People always capping and stuff. I'm not popping no hoods. I'm just gonna keep rolling, putting up the videos I want to put up. Let people think what they want to think. And that's what we gonna do. We just gonna roll like that. But yeah, the update, Dolo got oil pressure. Like I said, I got Meats. I just got a big surprise for Meats, man. I got a big surprise for Meats. I'ma film it. I'ma film the build, but I'm the same thing with Dolo, man. I'm gonna keep y'all in the loop. But I ain't showing nothing right now. It's just how I'm rolling, man. People got me like that. They did this. I try to be friendly. People don't want to be friendly, man. So hey, it is what it is. So right now, for a time until the end of the year, this is what it is, man. This is what it is. But Meats, I'm gonna put Meats together in 1 month exactly. Whenever I get started, I'm gonna put it together in 1 month. Like I put Dolo together quick too. It was just really with Dolo, man, just waiting on the engine and stuff. After that, it was just boom. So I got to shout out my guy Frank in Leland. Shout out my guys at Hustle Hard Performance. The number is on the screen. Frank got that thing running quick, and we did a few more things. We did a few more things to the car itself, which I ain't talking about. But we did something to the car itself, the actual chassis. So shout out to Frank, man. Quick turnaround. The car be home this week. For sure, the car will be home this week. It'll be right back over there in that spot, covered up like I told y'all. So, Dolo back. I would say Dolo back. Ready for the car meet. I'm gonna keep it put up. All three of them ready. John Jones, Dolo, and R&B. They ready for the car meet. Good to go. Meats. When Meats get gone, I'm gonna put it together in 1 month. 1 month exactly. Watch this. Y'all gonna love this. 1 month. So, yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all tuning in every day. I'll catch y'all later. I'm out.